It was a normal day. I was just being silly old Devanch scrolling through Instagram when I came across Rahasya Fragrances' landing page. I scrolled on their Instagram page and found that I was in love. Rahasya Fragrances is for the world by India. I went straight to the DMs and sent them a message. I picked Cutting Rain, and lo and behold, a couple days later, it was in my mail. All the way from Singapore, we have Rahasya Fragrances. Time to unbox and give first impressions. Let's get into this package. We opened the top strip, and it says, "In on the secret, out on the ordinary." So, we are trying to break boundaries.
Do you want to explain what Rahasya is?
Oh yeah, okay, Rahasya means secret in Hindi, and it's kind of cool because we are unboxing a secret. Oh my god, they sent me a card. Alright, so it says, "Hey Devansh, hope you enjoy the fragrance." So right there, "Hey Devansh, hope you enjoy the fragrance." That's so sweet. I hope I do too. Thank you so much. Cutting Rain,
Yeah.
That's the fragrance I got.
Yeah, it's Cutting Rain, and it says it's fresh, floral, and woody.
Fresh, floral, and woody. Oh my god, that's exactly what I've been looking for in a men's fresh fragrance.
It's inspired by Indian monsoons
Fresh blossoms and verandas.
and tea with loved ones.
Okay, let's read the notes. We have top notes, saffron, grapefruit, and raspberry. Middle notes, tea, rose, marigold, and violet. Ooh, so tea with florals. And base note, we have sandalwood, leather, and cashmere. This is like
Wow.
India in a fragrance.
That's like me in a fragrance.
And you in a fragrance. What do we got? What do we got? What do we got?
It's a nice leather bag.
It's a nice leather bag. Okay.
Okay.
This feels great. And it says Rahasya on here. Oh, we have a baby bag
Bag.
and a big bag. Rahasya. This feels great. Great quality packaging.
Oh, and this one's a small sample in it.
Wait. Oh my gosh, that's Oud Magnifera. That's their mango and oud fragrance that I really wanted. It was between that one and Cutting Rain for me. So it looks like they sent me a sample.
Oh, they thought about you.
Dang. Thank you, bro. Thank you. And a tote bag. So everyone gets a free tote bag with their order from Rahasya. A full order of a 50 ml gets you a free tote bag. Okay, time to open this up. Oh, look at that quality, bro. That's quality right there. Yep, Rahasya, Cutting Rain.
That's such a
And I guess the top opens up like a lid. Wow.
little card.
The
with it, too.
presentation, man. As Indians living abroad, we've always looked for a deeper connection with our roots, while India has seen the rise of incredibly talented creators pushing the boundaries with music, art, and culture. Indian-inspired perfumery hasn't yet made the same leap. Rahasya promises to append everything associated with fine fragrances. Our mission is to put Indian-inspired niche perfumery on the map through an uncompromising attitude towards quality and obsession to represent the new India, modern, youthful, vibrant, and bold. Each fragrance is crafted with authenticity, passion, and care. Thank you for supporting us, and welcome to the Rahasya community. P.S. A surprise, we've included one of the 3 unreleased mystery samples for you to explore. Let us know your thoughts.
Hey, they give us an extra sample.
It's a 10 out of 10. Beautiful
Yeah.
packaging, classic, sleek, modern. Let's get into the scent. I'll let you do the honors. Okay, good.
Oh my gosh. You know what this reminds me of? Like, whenever we get like wedding invitations for Indian weddings, this is the smell of some of those invitations.
Like
Growing up, whenever we
Gankotri?
get gankotris, whenever we, like in India, whenever we get wedding invitations, those are called gankotris. Oh,
Okay, florals are prominent. I'm getting some nice rose. I'm getting some earthiness. I guess that's from the tea. But this opening is so vibrant. It's like full. It's there. It's in your face, but it's like smooth and beautiful. Some sweet florals, some
Yeah.
earthy tea, some fruitiness.
I smell a cucumber.
I smell cucumber. So I guess that's from the freshness, like the fresh
Yeah, like this-
fruitiness.
yeah. Wait, I'm obsessed. I'm actually obsessed. I'm having actually nostalgia. So this is actually different.
It's so nostalgic. It brings me right back home, like growing up in India, you know, like the festivities, the roses, marigolds, florals, but also sitting down with family and enjoying intimate times. And also, look at that oil sheen. Do you see that oil sheen? That's a high oil concentration. So I bet it's going to last a very long time. All right. Summing up first impressions on Cutting Rain. You go first.
Yeah, so I will definitely say I love it. I actually definitely love it because I'm just still like so baffled by like the scent. It's just like reminds me. It's so niche and it gives me such nostalgia. Is what I love about it. I can so smell the sandalwood.
Yes. And also they use Mysore sandalwood. Mysore sandalwood is Indian sandalwood. It's very, very expensive and very, very rare to export because the government has full control on it. And it's the best quality of sandalwood you can get in the whole world.
You know what? That makes so much more sense because when I was going to temple growing up, I would smell this type of scent, like this type of sandalwood.
So
It just reminds me of temple. I love it.
my first impressions, the blend is fantastic. Everything is so beautifully rounded and nothing stands out more than the other thing. Everything works together amazingly. And I really do get great quality sandalwood, amazing florals. There's
Wow.
rose, carnation, and I get spicy florals. So I get some spice. I think that's coming from the saffron. There's freshness, spiciness, florals, and woody sandalwood. It is magical. Coziness with family and great times.
It just reminds me of my culture,
just
and I love it.
Great days. It reminds me of having beautiful times with people you love. 10 out of 10.
10 out of 10. Actually, 100 out of 10. This is beautiful.
Let's get into the other stuff. This is unreleased mystery Rahasya fragrance.
This is the Rahasya. Right
We
here. What
do
is
not
this?
know the ingredients. This is a Rahasya in itself.
Yeah, this one is.
The mystery.
This is the brand itself right here.
Let me test my nose. Okay.
Is this masculine?
Ooh. Yes. Power.
Oh
Masculine
my
power.
gosh. It's very strong.
Strong masculinity.
What do you smell in it? It's like musky.
Ooh, I
right?
smell some musk. I smell some definitely some spices and
Yeah,
aromatics. Let's say sage or
Like
rosemary
star
or
anise.
something
Star
like
anise?
kind of like Indians cooking spices. Some leathery softness in the background, leathery woods. Okay, let me paint a picture for you. You're dressed in all black, walking through a beautiful forest, and you smell some aromatics growing in the shrubs, like some natural spices growing around
I
you.
like it.
I love it.
I like it.
I
like it.
love it. Like dressed up, nice, like some nice sherwani you got. Like put this on.
Yeah.
Good job with the mystery. I'm
Yeah,
gonna
this is
wait till
very
it comes
nice,
out.
Actually, this
and
is very nice.
I'm gonna cop this for myself. Let's go to Oud Magnifera. I've been waiting for
Okay.
this because, bro, I love mangoes. I have so many memories growing up in India, eating a little plate of cut up mangoes with chaat masala on top that my grandma made. Mangoes. It's not straight up mangoes. Fruity and sweet, but powerful,
that?
deep.
What's that thing we eat after dinner in India? Mukwas.
Really?
The
Mukwas.
The thing licorice.
A
licorice.
mouth freshener, licorice. I get distinct fruity mango notes along with a deep, rich, woody oud in the
Yeah,
background.
Yeah. That's like settling. Like I don't smell the mango as much now, as much as the woody like scent.
Yeah. Okay.
I will say, like in my opinion, I think it's much more masculine leaning.
Okay. All right. To sum up our thoughts, we're gonna rank the 3 fragrances that we smelled today. Starting with me. For me, Cutting Rain is number 1, just because of how versatile it is and how unisex it is. Anyone, anytime, anywhere can pull off Cutting Rain. It's just freshness with earthiness from the tea and woodiness from the sandalwood, but it's extremely beautiful and unisex. Number 2 goes to Oud Magnifera, just because I love mangoes, and the oud is not too skanky or too powerful. It's very balancing, and I love it. Third goes to the mystery one. Felt like I've smelt it somewhere else before, like a spicy deepness. So it's not terribly unique for me. You?
I will definitely rate Cutting Rain first because I really just like how it brought me nostalgia. It just reminded me of my culture to the fullest. I just love the cashmere sandalwood scents too. Second one, I would rate the mystery box actually because there was a slight feminine touch to it and it was sweet and I really like that aspect.
Do you think that feminine touch comes from like that dark muskiness a little bit? It's like sexy femininity.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. And then the last one I would rate is the oud, like the other sample box. And I think that just leans more very masculine because I'm smelling the after scent now. And it's very woody. I don't know. Yeah. But that's how I would rate mine.
And everyone's skin chemistry is different. Everyone's nose is different. So make sure you buy the samples and the discovery kit Rahasya offers to test the fragrances before you make a full bottle purchase.
Yeah.
All right, welcome back. Time for my final thoughts. I'm going to start with Mystery 1. Mystery 1, after drying down and giving it multiple wearings, is actually much better than I feel like we made it seem in the reactions video. This dries down to a impeccable, smooth, sweet tonka bean / vanilla. But it starts out with this lemon balm, minty-ish, but deep minty freshness. So it's green in the start, but there's a spicy, sweet base to it. And the dry down reminds me significantly of Versace Eros Flame, which I also recently got. Overall, very wearable, masculine, and different, but also mass appealing, potentially. Oud Magnifera. I'm going to sum this up as mango in blazing hot Indian summers. The blazing hot Indian summers part is actually coming from the smokiness of the oud. And the mango is powerful. It's fruity. It's vibrant. It's in your face. This is not tropical. This is not beachwear. This is like suit and tie, like special event, significant deepness mango because of the smokiness backdrop. So unique and not super versatile, I would say. You can't wear this every day, at least in my opinion. It's very special event centered. I feel like there's not much else to say about Cutting Rain other than everything that we already talked about in the reaction. This stuff is actually amazing. It's magnificent. This is what I've been looking for. A fresh, sweet floral. Like as a man, people are always told like, oh, floral fragrances are feminine. This does floral in the masculine way, but also keeps it unisex at the same time. Barkha loves this stuff, and I do too, so like we're both gonna kill this bottle very soon. I'm gonna need a backup very, very soon. So this stuff is S tier. It is signature scent all year round, no matter what season. I absolutely love this stuff. Pick this up, you won't be disappointed, I'm telling you. I want to reiterate this. Thank you so much, Rahasya Fragrances, for sending me over all of these for no cost for my honest opinions. I'm very much looking forward to getting everything that you are going to come out with, including the other ones that I haven't smelt so far. And to everyone watching, my channel Smile Sense has really grown in the last few weeks. If you're new here, welcome. I'm going to be making reviews for every single individual fragrance that I have. Individual dedicated reviews for all of the bottles. Please hit subscribe, please hit the like, and put it down below in the comments. Which one would you like to see individual reviewed first, based on everything that you've seen on my channel so far? Other than that, thank you for checking in. Smile Sense is always at your service. You go and have a great day. Get out of here.